pang hakabiaday badu COVID-19. Ka sorkar kami jongkari India kalapalat pisa hadu 9,000 laispa klor tingka syaki jela bat ki Union Territory lingba ka Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme ni ke MGNREGS. Bansiyo no yaki ram jong ka financial ba mentionem na kabanta ki artayo jong 8,000 arpau 8,000 arpuai. Ha Assam katnat revenue but disaster management kalapalat ya kapisa kabalong hadu sanpau klor tingka syabaro ki district jong kajala Assam banyakun persya ya kaknyang jingpang COVID-19. Ka Gangtok Municipal Corporation kala Tracy Tom Bhaban pelat ya ka Sikkim na uknyang jingpang COVID-19. Habakran bat ka All India Radio News, u Commissioner ka Gangtok Municipal Corporation, u HK Chetri ulaong banadu balami, uknyang jingpang COVID-19 ka Gangtok Municipal Corporation ka Bunkam ban sunret dawai. Ka sorkar kami jong kari India kala wengno ya ki kendon khang banchalan yi ki dawai blashna na parastamol ki bakantup ya ki fixed dose combination ne FDC. Kani ki jingpen bana blapan mi mentakasngi banakaliang ka Directorate General of Foreign Trade ka yathu bakini ki dawai blashna na parastamol kantup lang. Ya ki FDC lapalan no banchalan lat no tang kitu ki parastamol active pharmaceutical ingredient ki badang khang banchalan hadu menta. Hadu khalai hajar laispa prop nyongut ki briu ha India kilayo yoniu knyang jingpang COVID-19 hadu kani ka klimat. Na padang kini ki khalai hajar laispa prop nyongut shi hajar news pa sop khundai ngot kila kodno balapalai ru yaki na hospital kat ba 1,000 saus pa lai punyongut pat kila khlat no ngong biang kat ba saus pa lai punyongut pat kila khlat no. U Joint Director Jongka Health Service Garo Hills Division but u Superintendent Katura Civil Hospital West Garo Hills kila pentip bakat kum kajing betha jongka sorkar jilla Meghalaya Katura Civil Hospital kanlong no ko hospital bapura ban sumari kitu ki belayo yaw knyang jingpang COVID-19 bat kani kan trekam nadu ka arpau tarik uyayong mentaus nem. Para lok nong snap Pilayo sngo mentan niki kubor ki bakarpang hakabaya day badu COVID-19 ya kabalawa lam chapi da ka Regional News Unit jongka All India Radio Shillong.
This is All India Radio Shillong. We now bring to you a special roundup on COVID-19. Centre has released 7,300 crore rupees to the states and union territories under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme to liquidate pending dues of last financial year and also the wage dues for the first fortnight of 2020-21. Rural Development Minister Narendra Singh Tomar conducted a detailed review of all flagship schemes of the rural development. He desired that MGNREGS works in non-containment areas with adequate focus on social distancing must be resumed in an efficient manner. A total of 13,387 confirmed cases of COVID-19 have been reported in the country so far. Out of these, 1,749 patients have recovered and have been discharged from the hospitals, while 437 patients have died. Briefing media in New Delhi, Health Ministry officials said that 325 districts in the country have not reported any coronavirus case so far because of actions initiated at the field level. Meghalaya Chief Minister Congrats Sangma today said that the state government is mulling to come up with more testing centers in the state and is awaiting the approval of ICMR for it. Talking to newsmen soon after visiting the Shillong Civil Hospital, which is a dedicated COVID-19 hospital, along with Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, Health Minister A.L. Heck, the Chief Minister said that they held a review meeting on the evolving scenario and took a stock of the situation. Giving an update of the action taken by the government to combat the spread, the Chief Minister said that the only way to be proactive and do large-scale testing, and the government is trying to come up with 2 or 3 more testing centers. He said that so far, 100 tests are being done at Negrims and 50 additional tests in Assam. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has informed that his government will look into at a various aspect of the public interest litigation filed in the High Court of Meghalaya, and action will be taken accordingly. Responding to the PIL filed against the state government, Sangma said that it is wrong to say that Meghalaya is not having a designated hospital. Reiterating that Meghalaya does have a dedicated hospital, the Chief Minister said that the state is also having COVID care centers. In Assam, the Revenue and Disaster Management Department has released an amount of 50 crore rupees to all districts to fight against COVID-19. Senior officials in Guwahati said that this fund was used to provide relief materials to people, sanitization of areas, among others. Another sum of around 65 to 70 crore rupees would also be released soon to all districts of the state. The funding is being done under the State Disaster Management Fund. Gangtok Municipal Corporation have been playing a key role in providing sanitation services and relief during COVID-19 lockdown. Speaking to AIR News, GMC Commissioner H.K. Chetri said that since the COVID-19 outbreak, the civic body is focusing more on machinery sanitization in thick habitats besides regular sanitization facilities. He said GMC has divided 2 groups of 10 personnel, each for machinery sanitization on a daily basis as well as for clearing all blockage. The first round of this work has been completed. He said there is a standby team to ensure no piling of garbage on road. Chetri highlighted that the garbage disposal team has been trained for collection and disposal of use and throw face masks, and workers have been provided necessary equipment. They have also been trained for the worst case scenario of cremating those who may die from COVID-19. Listeners, that was a special roundup on COVID-19 brought to you by the regional unit of All India Radio.